This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2024 Das Awkscht Fescht, and we're looking at the two Kaiser Darrins as usual. I cannot resist these fiberglass beauties. You know, you talk about Corvette with fiberglass. Here it is, a very early fiberglass car. This was based off of the Henry J with the 100-inch wheelbase with the 6-cylinder F-head. Unfortunately so. They were not powerhouses, but they had so many features. Look at the pocket doors. That's so cool. It's a bit tight getting in. Now it's a 3-position top. You have the full top like this, the coupe sedatica like that, and then fully retracted. These actually had an optional hardtop too, which is really pretty remarkable. These are only a couple years going, and they did not sell very well, unfortunately so, because they were not very cheap. But what a unique, absolute unique ride. This is such of a rare treat. I'm sorry, it had a 6-cylinder F-head. Hopefully I didn't say flathead. I'll correct it if I did. F-head. Yeah, that's the Hurricane. Because remember the origins, this is based off of the Henry J. I like that vintage tachometer. That thing's so cool. That is gorgeous. What a car. What a car. I like this one is because it's so original. It's remarkable. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2024 Das Awkscht Fescht. Let's see if we get a little bit of a background. Now, how did you find such an original car?
I found it in my father's garage.
Does he know you have it?
He did know at the time. He's now deceased, but he bought it in 1981.
Oh, wow.
And I started driving it when I was a kid, and then when he was not able to drive it anymore, I bought it from him. So
that's great. What a nice legacy.
Yes.
What a nice legacy.
Almost 45 years.
Wow. That's great. That's great.
So I enjoy it.
Now, it looks like you've never touched the engine or anything else.
Nothing.
This is great.
I wash it every once in a while, but now with the paint, I don't even wash it anymore. I just wipe it down.
Yeah, that's all. She looks fine. She looks fine. I love your before and after, by the way. The whole thing that you plan this out.
I say well, it depends your perspective, before and after, or before and after.
Exactly. Exactly. Well, what's really cool is that you also demonstrate the top brilliantly, because not everyone knows that's a 3-position top. So
I like to put it down all the way, but it may rain on the way home, so it's too hard to put up on the road, so that's why I didn't put it all the way down.
Yeah, yeah. That F-head's a sweetheart. That thing's a wild engine. Yeah, definitely. It's strange that they went to the F-head. No, you scare it away. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful, just beautiful.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming out as usual.
We try. So this is like, we've probably done this, what, 10, 15 years together, you and me? At least.
Well, I've gotten you a few times.
Yeah?
In fact,
I remember you from last year.
Yeah. I got you a few times with the third Kaiser Darrin, the red one. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
The guy from New Jersey.
Yeah.
Jim somebody or other.
His father owned that
Yeah.
car.
Another father-owned car. Jeez.
And I told his father to put the original seatbelts in. It has the original seatbelts that has the Kaiser emblem on
Oh,
it
interesting. Where did you
Really?
in a box. This was when I first bought my car, which was back in '96. I was talking to this fella, and he had them in a box. I said, install them. And then during that show, he put them in.
Wow.
He passed it on to his son.
That's great. That is great. Good. Keep it in the family.
You going to give yours to one of your kids, Steve? They have no interest, right?
No interest. No interest.
Figures.
It has to be a new fast car,
Yeah.
not an old slow car.
Yeah, with all the connections and whatnot. Yeah. Yeah.
And the
Yeah.
other guy, as long as his Honda starts and it's got a nice parking space in the garage.
Oh well, can't have everything.
Exactly.
So I know my kids are kind of the same way. They definitely don't want my cars. So my younger son doesn't even have a license.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he lives in Seattle. Doesn't need one.
That's crazy.
So, well, not really. The mass transit there is excellent. You
Yeah.
don't need it, and he gets around pretty well.
You know, my
Pretty
kids
well
live in
indeed.
Manhattan. They don't need a car either.
Oh, you know how expensive parking in Manhattan is?
I know. I do it every day.
Yeah, yeah, crazy. Oh, so you drive the Kaiser in every day, huh?
He's done it though.
I have, but not to work. Not with the traffic these days. It's not fun.
Many years ago, about 40 years ago, I was driving a bug-eyed Sprite, and I drove that into Manhattan a number of times.
That's
So-
a fun car.
Yeah, definitely. This is great. Again, thank you very much for coming out.
Thank you.
Same
Nice
time
talking
next
to you.
year?
Yes, we'll be here.
You got it. This is Pam from NortheastWalesEvents.com at the 2024 Awkscht Fescht, checking out the pair of Kaiser Darrins. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars, NortheastWalesEvents.com, SoutheastWalesEvents.com, UKWalesEvents.com, and while you're there, make sure you post and promote your events on your local car show calendar. I'll see you at the shows.